Welcome to Exceptional Vending Express. Today, we will be delivering this Pepsi drink machine to our hotel location. Make sure you have a team. The machines are pretty heavy. This machine was deep cleaned and sanitized before installing. Due to delivery, this machine has to sit for 24 to 48 hours. Now we're going to change the selection labels. Of course, we're gonna have water, juice, soda, and energy drinks. Of course, we have dance fun at work. We're testing these selections out to see if they're a good fit. Instead of filling it up to the top, she's all ready to go, open for business.